Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had a fantastic day. I know it's been storming here all day, but the market held up pretty good. Now, if you're new to the channel, you haven't been following me, you don't know the drill, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, and you just want to overall not only learn the mindset of how to make money, but actually learn to chart, follow along, and find the stocks to be able to make money each and every day and use this money printing machine that we know of as the stock market and crypto market to be able to reach financial freedom, then hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that like button. Helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's get into the market. Market did pretty well today. We talked about the CPI numbers. They weren't bad. They wasn't better than expected, but they just fell right on the mark. Now, normally, that would be considered kind of a bullish case. However, for where we're at in the market, I already felt like that's priced in, and I warned everyone to be careful that we could be looking at a rug pull. And after the day closed, I still feel the same way. I still think that tomorrow we could have a significant down day. Now, if that don't happen, if we open up next week, we're still green, I may have to change my narrative, but at this point, I'm still very much looking for a reversal in the markets. We ended up with the S&P closing up 0.36%. We ended up with the Dow up 0.64%, and the NASDAQ also 0.64% up on the day. We had the VIX down almost 10.75%, absolutely just crushing the VIX down and bringing us into that realm of greed. You know, the VIX measures the fear and greed index, so to speak, and when the VIX is high, it's because everyone is fearful. When we see the VIX coming down low, it's because there's a lot of conviction in the market. And that's also one of the reasons why I believe we could be looking at a reversal. Right here on some technical levels for the SPX, right there at that $4,000 mark. And if we don't break out of that, there's definitely going to be a leg down. And with so many people piling into the market all of a sudden, it's a good place, because we all know the market is set up to try to take your money. So when everyone thinks they have it figured out, that's usually when it goes the opposite direction. So like I said, I'm still watching that very closely. Now, we picked up some SQQQ in the pre-market this morning. Picked that up at $46.40. I was really expecting it to do much better. It ran up. It got almost to $50 and started back down. I managed to get out at $48.50. We made 4.5% on that trade, so I'm pretty happy with that overall. However, because I am still expecting the market to move down, I did pick up a position in the after hours. Right after market closed just a few minutes ago, I picked some up at $46.77, slightly higher than our position from this morning, but we locked in that 4.5% ROI. That's the important part. When you can lock in profits and then be able to buy back in and do it again, that's how you accelerate your profits. That's how we beat the S&P. That's how we do better than 8 or 10% here on this channel, is by locking in those profits, not being greedy, and setting ourselves up for the next position. So like I said, I picked up some more SQQQ at $46.77. Something you might want to check out. We still got plenty of time in the after hours. Could stick around that price. In fact, could come down a little bit lower, or we could see it start to go up in preparation for tomorrow if I'm right. I don't have a crystal ball. All I can do is make my best judgment based on the data that I have in front of me. And that's what each of us have to learn to do as investors. Learn to look at the data and decide what probability it has of going one way or the other. And we always want to bet with the odds. And right now the odds are telling me that this market's set up for a reversal to pull back, and that's what we want to set ourselves up for to do as well. At least that's what I want to set myself up for. So that's kind of what I got for you this afternoon. Tomorrow, I think, is going to tell a lot. If we get that pullback like I'm expecting, then I'm definitely going to be looking to see this market start trending downward. That will give me my confirmation. If it holds up tomorrow, stock market's going to be closed on Monday, so we'll have to see how it opens up on Tuesday. But if we manage to break over that 4,000 and close above that, then there very much could be a very bullish case for the market moving forward. And I'm also going to add this, because you know I love crypto. I trade crypto all the time. I honestly think if crypto wasn't running up so hard right now, I don't think the market would be where it is right now. I think we'd have had more of a sell-off, but with crypto running so hard, it's definitely giving us, it's definitely helping the market, helping people pour into the market, I do believe as well. You could say that the crypto markets is a whole lot smaller than the stock market, so it's actually probably the stock market that's affecting the crypto market and helping it run up. But in this case, I do believe the market wants to pull back, and the crypto market is bringing all that money in from the retail investors. So that's just kind of my take on it. I think with Bitcoin getting up where it is, I think we could be seeing some resistance here soon. And if we start to see crypto pull back a little, I think that's going to accentuate in the market, and we're going to see that pullback there. So all I'm saying is be careful. Don't go out there and just pile in thinking that we're on this next leg up like a lot of people are trying to say. I don't want to see you lose your money. Let's get a confirmation. Let's either get a rejection, see the market start to pull back and bet on that, or let's get confirmation. Let's break that 4,000 on the S&P, and then we can start to get a little bit of a bullish case. Don't forget, if you've been interested in joining my crypto or stock portfolios, joining the Discord over there, I've got those links up now. You can find my link right in the bottom of this video, tradebynumbers.org. It'll take you to some videos, show you what we've got going on over there. Choose what works for you. But if you want to make 2023 your year and start learning how to invest in stocks and crypto and just overall getting that mindset to be able to succeed, make sure you're joining the Discords over there. Join us over there on the portfolios. First of their kind, where you're going to get paid to learn. That's what I got for you. Till next time, remember, be blessed and never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.